sourcing the deal is the most important aspect for private equity.
Right.
And to get what does sourcing mean? Of course, you will, as a large cap, there'll be few deals in the market, but you want to get that early access to that information so that you can do your due diligence properly. And that comes through relationships, networking. And that is the key part. And how you do network. So like, I'm proud of it. Like I had network from my engineering school, from business school. I had my network from my internships. I didn't lose contact with them.
Mm-hmm.
And I made sure that, because those people, they are now in all different sorts of fields.
Mm-hmm.
As I said, like even when I was an analyst at Goldman, we were 100 people. 96 of them had already left.
Right.
And they were in private equity, in partners or directors or different positions. Now that becomes a very, very important networking point.
Mm-hmm.
And you can learn so much from them about the deals, about the transactions, which can come in the market, which cannot. So the skill set now is more interpersonal relationships, getting to know what can be in the market before, and then trying to find a way to reach to the management and talk with them, form a relationship.
Warm introductions to management.
Absolutely.
No auctions or limited auctions, ideally.
Exactly.